Now, I told these people that we can help Somalia to defeat it, because if it is a question of weapons, we can buy them and give them. Uniform, we can buy. Even food we can share. But what we cannot manage is salary.
Every month. Salary
every month of big number, we can't manage. So once you say salary, then you now go to UAE, they pay 1 month, then here Qatari, I don't know what, Turkey, what? So when will these people get security? When will you get security? Because you need security. If I'm a poor man, I don't have money, but I can defend my home. I can mobilize my son and my brother, and we defend our home. Nobody is paying us. We want peace.